Today, we will be doing a quick copy review and demo walkthrough. QuickCopy is a proven app that writes and rewrites unique and easy-to-read content using artificial intelligence. Use QuickCopy to create competition-crushing, eye-catching, and SEO-friendly marketing content. Before we get started with the QuickCopy review, don't forget to subscribe to our YouTube channel and hit the notification bell so you are notified when we upload new videos. Right, let's get started with the QuickCopy review and demo walkthrough.
Let me show how QuickCopy tool can create high-quality text covering all your copywriting needs. Dashboard. As soon as you log into your account, there's a dashboard where you can instantly access all of QuickCopy's features using this sidebar navigation menu. Scrolling down, we have a quick video tutorial here. Next to it, you can see recently saved projects, which you can conveniently move to or delete using corresponding buttons. Generating text with QuickCopy. Moving on to the key feature, generating high-quality content. In the main menu, you can see all these categories you can create text for. But that's not all yet. Each menu has subcategories, so AI knows exactly what text it should generate to suit your needs best. For example, here in video and audio category, we get all the options for Facebook, YouTube, radio and voiceover. Choose category and subcategory that describes your text best, click Get Started, and AI will generate the best text possible for that exact placement. We now have these two panels in front of us. The right one gives us an editor window, and on the left there's an AI generator interface. Quantity of the input fields on the left depends on the category you've chosen. Here we have two, product brand name and description. What we want to do here is to give QuickCopy some information on what text we need. It doesn't have to be long, as you can see here we are limited by 150 words maximum, which is great as we don't want to write a lot of text. Let AI do its job. Let's say I need a voiceover about IKEA. Product name will be IKEA, and in description I want to mention some key information. Let it be best place to buy furniture, Scandinavian interior, cheap and high quality. Now we click generate new copy and see the magic happen. In a matter of seconds we now have our variation here. We can either delete it or add it to the editor. Let's add this one. You can create a new variation of text using the same data by clicking generate new copy once again, or you can change title and description to get a different variation of text, and you can repeat this process until you are satisfied with the result. All QuickCopy texts are unique and will pass plagiarism checkers. Okay, let's return to the editor. Here we have tools to style our text, add links and insert images. So you can do all the basic text customizations in QuickCopy and then copy-paste the styled text anywhere you want. To save this project, click on Save Copy. Editing and exporting projects. To access your recently saved texts, you can head to Dashboard and click Edit next to the one you need. Or you can click a menu item on the left to show a drop-down and select Saved. Once again, select the text you need and click Edit. Editor is similar to what you've seen before, but here you get more options. You can print your copy, preview it, add video, change text color, change text background, add emojis, and code. If you click on a question mark, help window will pop up, showing all the handy shortcuts to speed up your workflow. Using menu on top of the editor, you can undo, redo, search and replace, view source code, insert and edit tables, as well as get more options to format your text. Once you've finished editing your project, click on the Update Changes button. Here we have additional buttons to export our text as a doc or as a PDF file. Personal scripts. If we scroll down to this menu item, we can access the Personal Scripts feature. Once we click that, we'll see a list of all our previously created scripts and a button to create new. Once we click that, full-featured editor will open up, allowing you to easily create longer articles. Open Personal Script in one browser window and QuickCopy project in another one. Place them side by side and you can easily copy-paste multiple texts generated in different subcategories or even categories to create long reads. Use cases: email marketing, article rewriter and summarizer, keyword extractor, SEO metadata generator, offer generator using AIDA, PAS and other marketing models, product name generator, Quora answer assistant, YouTube ideas generator, voice-over scripts, product reviews, engaging social media posts, cold marketing. And I can go on and on, as QuickCopy has more than 80 AI-optimized text generation tools. Support. Should you need help, there are two options how to reach support desk. I've already mentioned the first, profile image in the top right corner. Click that and here select Need Help. Or you can get to support page by clicking the corresponding item in the main menu. Once support page is opened, you will see the form, fill that, and QuickCopy's customer support will be happy to help.
Thank you for watching this QuickCopy review and demo walkthrough. To find out more about QuickCopy, click the link in the description below.